Hey guys. Okay, good morning. We are gonna make homemade pancakes. And they're really not that hard. It's just some ingredients. And yeah. So I have our mixing bowl. Being judged again by my family. We're gonna use 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg. I believe it's 3 1/3 tablespoons of baking powder. That might change. Powder. Some salt, 1 tablespoon of that. Some milk, and then here we have our flour and our sugar. And so I'm just gonna put it all in the bowl. I'm gonna tell you guys what's in it, and then we're just gonna mix it up and put it on the griddle. Okay, so I'm gonna add the flour. It's 1 1/2. No, wait, yeah, 1 1/2 cups. And we're just gonna even that out. Oh look, I did that all with my hand. And we're just gonna get our nice little sifting bowl and just pop that in. And when you sift, it's kind of just there so that everything is as fine as it should be. Nothing more, nothing less. Yep. Okay, that's that. And then I only have 1/4 cup. I'm just gonna do it twice. Because 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1/2. So we're gonna do all the dry ingredients together and then all the wet ingredients. Because then that gives us a better mixture and it's easily mixable. Okay, now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of white sugar. 1 tablespoon. Try and make it as even as possible. Just pour that on, and that should go through because of how granulated and fine it is. There you go. Okay, so now we're gonna add the baking powder. And it calls for 3 1/2 teaspoons. So I have this handy dandy little gadget here which lets me slide up for how much I want the measurement to be. So this is at 1 teaspoons right now. Oh, try and make that even. Okay, that seems, yes. And then, oh, I have to do 3 of these. Two. 3. We're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon. Oh, this doesn't do 1/2 teaspoons, so I'm gonna do half of this. Let's do some math here. That looks about accurate, about half. Cool. We're gonna sift that, and then we have to add the salt, and we'll do that now, which is 1 teaspoon, and we'll just use the same thing. And I'm using iodized salt. I hope that's okay. Do we have baking salt, or is iodized salt okay?
Iodized salt.
Iodized, that's fine. Oh. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt. And now those are all of our dry ingredients. I might just give them all mixed together. Pour sifting to the side, mix them up just a little, because now for our wet ingredients, we're gonna make a little hole in the middle, and then we'll start baking. Make a little funnel so that everything can just go in nicely. Yep, like so. Just kind of make an indent in the middle, and then we're gonna add the milk, the eggs, and the butter. And butter has to be melted, so remember to do that. Okay, now we're gonna add the milk, as you can tell, and it calls for 1 1/4 cups of milk. We're just gonna use our same 1. 1/4 cups. We have split a little, but it's okay. And now we're gonna crack our egg. Here, we'll put this. Crack our egg into our very liquidy mixture thanks to our milk. And that's our butter being done in the oven. Still being melted, that's okay. We started with frozen, and it's 3 tablespoons of butter. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna add the butter and mix. It's very hot because it was melted. So that's pretty much all it takes. And we're just gonna mix them very slowly because there's a lot in here. It look like a very powdery, wet mixture. And I think if you think your mixture is too liquidy, you can always add more flour. Okay guys, we got our griddle going, and then here's our batter all ready. We're just gonna plop some pancakes on there, and yeah, I'll show a demonstration of how to do one. Pretty simple. Okay, so now our griddle is all warmed up. I have it about 325, I would say, and I'm just gonna use the 2/3 cup, and just kind of plop it on there. And you're just gonna wait until bubbles start to form, and then that's how you know you're ready to flip. Also, just like periodically checking the bottom helps, just because then you're aware of what's happening below. Yep. Okay guys, I'm about to flip this pancake. There's a nice distribution of bubbles starting to form. And it looks like that. That's a little white, but it's okay. We'll just leave it on the other side for longer. Yep. One pancake down. Gonna give it a little more time.